Hello friends, today we are going to start angle sum property of a triangle. Friends, we already learned in the previous standard that in the triangle addition of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here theorem 6.7 it says that the sum of angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Here one triangle is there and the respective angles 1, 2 and 3. So if we do the angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now if we draw the line xy over here and this is angle 4 and this one is angle 5, so we can say that this is the linear pair. It is not linear pair, but these are the supplementary angle 4 plus 1 plus 5. If we do the addition of all these three angles, so we will get the answer 180 degree. 4 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now, but here friends, see here 4 and 2 both are alternate angles. Z, they are making Z's alternate angle. 5 and 3 also same, both are alternate angles. Okay, now let me see the next figure. Here 3 and 4 both are linear pair. Addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. So friends, here this one is the exterior angle. 4 and 5 are also exterior angle, means exterior angle है और अंदर के हो interior angles. Now the next theorem 6.8 is given. If a side of the triangle is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, new things we learned over here. It says that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Opposite angles, opposite दोनों एंगल का एडिशन करें, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay, exterior angle है वो क्या होगा, दोनों opposite sides का plus होगा. Okay, so it is given over here. Now let me see the examples. That is the example number 7. Example number 7 is that in this given figure, this one is given 40 degree, this one is a right angle 30 degree. So we have to find value of x and y. Okay, so let me find the value of x and y. So in this given figure, triangle TQR. Okay, if we consider the first short triangle TQR, this one is R, TQR. So in this 40 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So from this we will get the value of x. So value of x is equal to 50 degree. Now here we got the value of x. So from this if we consider this one is the exterior angle. Okay, if we consider triangle PSR, so y is the exterior angle of triangle PSR, and addition of these two angles 30 plus x is equal to y. So 30 plus x is equal to 50. So 30 plus 50 is equal to y. So it's y is equal to 80 degree. Okay, very easy sum. Now next example number 8. Here we have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay, it given ray BO is the bisector of CBE. Okay, so CBO is equal to half of CB. So CB is equal to 180 minus y because linear pair. Okay, so if we remove the bracket, half of 180 90 minus y by 2. It is the equation number 1. Now same the CO is the bisector, तो same process हमें BCD और BCO के लिए करनी है. Now ये दोनों इक्वेशन के ऊपर से हमको दोनों इक्वेशन को इक्वल करना है, so हमको मिल जाएगा आंसर. Okay, so this question 7 and 8 examples are finished. Let me start exercise number 6.3. Question number 1. In the figure 6.39, means in this figure, two exterior angles are given and we have to find the PRQ. We have to find this angle. ये angle हमको find करना है. So let me see how to find the angle R. Okay, here I am having the value. First of all, SPR and RPQ. SPR, so SPR means 135 and this angle both are linear pair. So addition of these two is equal to 180. So 180 minus 135, so we will get the value of this angle, that is the RPQ. Okay, RPQ. So we will get the value of RPQ is equal to 45 degrees. Same process over here. Addition of these two is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 110. So we will get the 70 degree. So here we got 70 degree. It is 70 degree. This one is 45 degree. So we will get the value of this. Yes, 70 plus 45 plus R is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. 45 plus 70 plus PRQ is equal to 180 degree. So we will get the value of PRQ is equal to 65 degree. Very easy sum. Now question number 2. In this given figure, angle X is given, XYZ is given. It is given YO and ZO are the bisector. Bisector है means टू इक्वल पार्ट करते हैं एंगल के दो इक्वल पार्ट करते हैं. मीन्स यहाँ पे 54 एंगल है, तो हम अगर हमें OYZ एंगल कंसीडर करना है तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 27. ओके, बिकॉज 27 टू ज़ा 54. ओके, तो ये ऐसे हो गया बाइसेक्टर. और इसमें हमें फाइंड करनी है 3 OZY एंड YOZ. OZY मीन्स दिस एंगल वी हैव टू फाइंड एंड YOZ, ये दो एंगल हमें फाइंड करने हैं. तो सबसे पहले मैंने यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया हुआ है. मेन जो ट्राइंगल है एक्स वाई एंड जेड, उसमें से जेड की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है. सो तीनों का एडिशन 180. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ जेड इज इक्वल टू 64. सो दिस वन इज 64. नाउ we will get these two. Okay, half of 54, so we will get OYZ, and half of 64, so we will get OZY. Okay, so here I got the value of both. Now simply, if the value of 27 and this one is 32, so we will get the value of this. Yes, 27 plus 32 plus O is equal to 180 degree. 180, so 180 minus 27 minus 32, so we will get 121. So here we got the value of all these three angles, OYZ, OZY, YOZ. Okay, so here question number 2 is also finished. Now question number 3 onwards we will see in our next video. Complete this both in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.